There are two legacies we can leave our children. There's this one, and there's this. At QNET, the choice is clear. We believe that change begins with us. We are committed to cutting back our carbon footprint by promoting purpose-led products and enriching the lives of people around the world. We strongly believe in and promote a meat-free lifestyle for a healthier body and planet. We've eliminated plastic from all our offices and events. We work with suppliers who share our values. We give back to our communities through Rhythm Foundation. Our aim is to provide you with ethically and responsibly sourced products and merchandise with 100% eco-friendly packaging by 2025. We have already started on this journey. 90% of QNET's jewellery products are sourced from members of Responsible Jewellery Council that use recycled gold. Our personal care products are vegan and cruelty-free. We have adopted plastic-free packaging for many of our products. We have reduced waste by creating packaging that can be repurposed. We make the effort to go paperless. We are committed to reducing our emissions per product shipment. Why do we do all this? Because we care about the planet, the community, and our people. And we want you to be part of the change. The change to creating a better world for all. One that is cleaner, greener, and sustainable.